This is the very first time I'm talking with an Israeli person, and this is the very first time.
You're based in Bangladesh, is that
Yes,
right?
we are Bangladeshi. Yes.
Where in Bangladesh?
Do you know about Bangladesh? We just know Israel. Should I talk? Just for war,
Sure.
actually. We just know
Yeah.
Israel just for war. And
Nice to see
not
you.
gentlemen. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yes, we are doing very well. Where are you from?
From Israel.
From Israel.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Joining with us. Thank you so much. So can I start my presentation?
Sure.
Thank you so much for joining us. At first, I'll have to introduce about ourselves, and then we're gonna talk about our project. Myself, Rifat Sarkar, and in here another person. His name is Akash Dash. Actually, Akash Dash, he's reached out to you, and we are teammate. We are working together. We are working on digital marketing sector, and we are providing digital marketing all types of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel, and you wanna get more views, get more traffic, get more audience, visitors in your channel. Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah. So for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to at first research your whole YouTube channel, your niche category, and which type of people is your target audience, etc. And then we have to research your niche related targeted keyword. That means which type of sentence and which type of words your target audience are using for watching you niche related videos. For example, just for example, you are making travel type of videos. Then we have to research which type of keyword, that means sentence. Keyword means sentence or words. Okay, so we have to research your audience are using based travel videos in Israel, based blogging videos, etc, etc. So we have to find out this type of word and sentences. Okay, so after that we have to input and include this type of keyword in your videos backend section, like your videos title section, description section, and also text section. And when we successfully input this keyword on your videos backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche and topic, then your videos will show YouTube and Google on the top search result. Okay, so this is the way actually. And also we have another methods that's called organic promotion. And in this session, we can just simply copy your videos link and share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, this type of social media site using millions of people. So we can share your videos to them. And also we have another and last option that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid work. But right now and for fast, I will recommend you can choose the ACU work. It's growing some slowly, but it's lifetime work, and it's very effective work. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work, their feedback and result?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so if you search on Google just by freelancing school BD, you will get the result, the logo. It's our agency's website. The domain name is freelancingschoolbd.site. And now you can see it's me. Okay, so if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lots of project. Just 1 second, it's loading. So you can check after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of the link and information. Then you can check, you can verify by your own. So now you can see the before result and after result, but it's still loading. Okay. So you can check actually SEO score, etc., etc., and you can click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. Because I have already mentioned you, we are working on whole digital marketing sector. So if you click on our team section, then you will see our full team, our whole team. You will see the result. And if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see we have done a lots of project with over the world's client, and maximum from US, UK, Canada, this type of first world countries. So you can check. So After finish our meeting, he will check you the all of the information, then you can verify. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Well, there's definitely the need, right? I definitely have to. I'm creating these videos, but they're not really going anywhere. So of course, I'm interested in gaining more viewers, and hopefully that'll lead to more business interactions. The problem, and this is what I explained also to Akash in the email, is that I'm a single freelancer who's trying to get more attention and more traction. I don't really have budget for work that I know needs to be done. That's the conundrum. That's the challenge that I face, like a lot of freelancers. So what is I understand that there are different levels, or assume there are different levels of service and associated pay. Tell me a little bit more about the cost structure, if you could.
Okay, so right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we will complete SEO. There is no problem. I think no need to write down, because after finish our meeting, he will send you the payment invoice and package list via Google Sheet, so you can take a look easily via Google Sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have two type of packages available. First one is a basic package, and in this package, we will complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion work for your 10 videos. Okay, and our 10 videos package cost is 120 US dollar, and also for your 10 videos, complete SEO, complete optimization, and including organic promotion work. Okay, 120 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called premium package and monthly package. And in this package, we will complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion, and also including your whole channel backend optimization. For example, your channel has a additional description, your channel has a additional keyword section. So we will work on, we will work to your channel, we will work to for that, so that we can show your channel on the top search result like this. Just let me show my channel. If you click on just freelancing school BD, then you can see it's our website, and the second it's our Facebook page, and it's our YouTube channel. So all the thing on the top search result. So can you see this?
Yes.
It's just for an example, and we will optimize your channel and your videos, so that your channel will be shows YouTube and Google top search result, and whatever people are searching by your name, your channel name, or your niche or category related keyword and sentences, there is no issue. We will optimize your YouTube channel and videos by your targeted keyword. So it was just an example. Okay, so on the premium package, we will complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion work, and also including your whole channel optimization. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar. But this is the first month, and I love to make you a lovely discount for you, and it's 250 for you. Okay, for the premium plan. And in this plan, we will complete SEO optimization for your 30 videos and complete all the thing, including. And if you choose our monthly package, Akash Dash, he will work with you, and he will report you after 1 week, every after 1 week, and what is the growing and which type of result you will get. He will report you with compare before and after. Okay.
But you're saying it's a monthly thing, so it's 250 every month?
Yes, 250 every month. Yes.
So the initial package that you talked about, 100 and something dollars, what
Yes,
is the result of
120.
that? 120. What is the result of, what does that offer include?
It's including complete your 10 videos, complete SEO, complete optimization, including organic promotion.
And that again that's a monthly thing, or it's a one-time payment? It's a monthly payment?
If you choose any package, you can pay 50% before and after, like that.
Okay, I'm still trying to understand. You're saying $120, it's a one-time fee that I can then split before and after, or it's a monthly fee for a certain period of time, for a certain number of months?
If you choose our weekly package, then we will work for you. If you choose our basic plan, that means 120 US dollar, then you can pay us just 50% before work, and after it's complete, after work complete, 50%. So it's for 1 week for you 10 videos. And after 1 week, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with this work, then you can choose our monthly package or this basic package again. So you can choose any package, or if you choose monthly package, then like that you can pay us 50% after and 50% before. So you can choose any package.
Okay. And you'll be sending me information about the pricing, but also what each package includes?
Yes.
Okay. And let's see what else I wanted to ask you. Okay, so basically, so within, let's say I go with the basic package, how long until I start seeing additional traction in my videos? How long should I expect it to take before I start seeing traction?
I think he will report you if you choose basic package, that means 7 days package, then he will report you after 3 days. When he start the work, he will report you after 3 days. Then you can compare before and after, and he will give you the final report when the package, when it's over. This package. That means after 3 days, he will report you first time, and the second time after 7 days. That means.
So after one week of that work, I will already start seeing additional traction and additional results. Saying that what you're suggesting is that it only takes about a week or a few days to a week before I start seeing results, before I start seeing additional traction on my videos.
Yes, you will see the result after some time, like 1 day or 2 day, because we will work with your videos very soon. So when we start the work, you will get the result. So there is no
Mhm.
issue. But you know, is SEO is totally organic work. And in this session, our main job is we have to throw your videos to your actual people. And when they are see, yes, your channel is creating a good value to them, then they will click on your videos. So it's totally depend on them to your target audience. So our main job is we have to throw your videos to them. So it's 100% organic work. So organic, any kind of organic work takes some time, but you will see the before and after difference very soon. Okay.
I understand. Okay, so Akash, you have my email address, and I look forward to receiving the additional information. The cost that you're describing is not very high, so that's it's very reasonable. So let me just look at the information you send me, and then I'll make a decision.
Okay, so you can take your good decision. And one more thing, if you choose to work with us, then we need your channel access, but still we no need your channel's login information like Gmail or password, because these are your personal info and you cannot share this type of information with anyone. But we just need your channel access as a manager or as an editor. So do you know how to give, or should I show you?
I think I do, but I would appreciate if you could show me.
Okay, okay. So I'm gonna share my screen. Just let me 1 minute. First of all, click on your channel's logo section. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
So first of all, click on your channel's logo section and then YouTube Studio. Okay, just simple work. And after that, just click on settings section and then you can see the permission. So right now, you can see permission for freelancing school BD, it's our channel, and you can see the name and Gmail and the rule. So first Gmail, it's owner of this channel and you will be the owner of your channel. Okay, so the second Gmail, it's manager. So as a owner, if I want to remove the manager, I can do it anytime. Just click on arrow button, then scroll down, then remove access anytime. Okay, so you can remove us our access anytime from your YouTube channel. So if you wanna add us as a manager on your channel, YouTube channel, then just click on invite, then paste the Gmail here, and you can click on here and you can see a lot of access available. Manager can view anything, manage permission, go live, create and delete content. And editor, I think it will be safe. Um, Editor can view anything, go live, create and edit content, can't manage permission or delete content. So you can choose the editor, it will be safe for from your side. Okay, then just click on done, and after that Akash, he will get a small invitation by his Gmail inbox. Then he can accept the invitation, and after that he can work on your videos backend section, like he can edit your videos title, description, etc. So that is the process.
Okay, that's pretty simple.
Yes, very simple.
Mhm. All right,
Okay.
so I look forward to receiving that email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible within the next few days already with the decision.
Yes, yes. Okay. And after finish our meeting, he will send you our website link information. He will send you our packages pricing information. And also he will send you how to give access by writing. I think it will be good for you. And you can make, after making decision, you can let him know. So nice to see you. And I think this is the very first time I'm talking with an Israeli person. And this is the very first time.
Oh, I hope you remember it as a good experience.
Yeah, really very good experience. Thank you so much
You're
for
you're
giving
based
that.
you're based in Bangladesh, is that
Yes,
right?
we are Bangladeshi. Yes.
Where in Bangladesh?
Do you know about Bangladesh? I'm from
A
Dhaka
little bit, a
city,
little
from
bit.
Gazipur.
I'm sorry, say again?
I'm from Dhaka,
Okay.
specifically
I
from Gazipur. Yeah.
personally have never been, nor have I really known anyone from there, except that my sister, who now lives in the United States, she had a very, very close friend for a number of years in the United States, though, from Bangladesh. So that's my only connection to Bangladesh.
Sounds good. Actually, our most of the client they are from UK, Canada, and sometime from Africa. But this is the first time I am talking with an Israeli person. And if I talk about Israel, then I will talk. I have some curiosity about Israel because we don't know more thing about Israel, what is their culture, what is their like that. I don't know much more actually. We just know Israel. Should I talk? Just for war
Sure.
actually. We just know
Yeah.
Israel just for war and not and without that I don't know so many thing about Israel.
Yeah, well, Israel is obviously on the news a lot, and I'm not always sure that it's in a good way, but I can I can assure you, because I have the experience myself of having spoken with many people around the world over the years, that the image that is often portrayed, I'm sure it's true for other countries as well, by the way, so I don't think it's unique to Israel, but the image that is portrayed a lot of times is not very connected to reality. I'm sure people think that there's always a war going on here and that people are, always hiding from rockets or doing, or everybody's fighting all the time. But in reality, that's not really what it is. It's just a regular country. I'm right now sitting in my home office. Soon I will be walking outside with my dogs. You know, I I go to work with my car. I mean, everything is just normal. It's not, unfortunately, we have to deal also with a lot of other things as a country, but it's not something that you necessarily feel as a person on a day-to-day basis. As you can tell from my accent also, I'm actually an American. I lived in Israel all my life, from very, very early childhood. But my family is American, and they came to Israel back in 1972. So I grew up here, and I've also been to the States for many years. I've studied in the States, so I have sort of both, both sides, uh, both country experience in both countries.
Mhm.
Maybe one day I can come to Bangladesh as well.
Yes, I love to invite you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
yeah. Okay, thank you so much for
Thank,
let us your valuable time. Thank you so much.
yeah, thank you as well. And I look
Bye
forward to your
bye.
email. Bye bye.
Bye bye.